Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. My channel Coin City has 3 steps. Like this video, share this video, and comment this video or giveaway for $100 benefit my channel. One of those coins, and one that has been making front page news ever since the rise of DeFi projects, is Chainlink. Its Chainlink amassed a large group of enthusiastic followers, including celebrities, industry experts, and tech futurists. The altcoin has grown rapidly and is one of the top-ranked cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The altcoin has enjoyed an exciting rise to the top, but what are its prospects for the remainder of 2021? In this article, we will discuss the Chainlink price prediction and market analysis. What is Chainlink? Chainlink is unique compared to other blockchain projects. The business model is solely focused on the creation of smart contracts for the outside world. Chainlink hopes to decentralize the internet to bridge the gap between blockchains and the applications that exist in the real world. The Chainlink system has a decentralized network of oracles, so that smart contracts can safely interact with off-chain platforms. Founded in September 2014 by its CEO Sergey Nazarov and CTO Steve Ellis. Fundamental analysis. Since both Oracle and Chainlink work simultaneously for data conversion, the working might sound arduous. But in reality, it involves just 3 steps. Beginning the process, a smart contract requests data when required. The link protocol receives the request and generates a Chainlink service level agreement. Meanwhile, the agreement will further generate 3 other contracts. One for reputation, which will check the oracle and verify it. Secondly, the next contract acts as a bridge between the request contract and the nodes that take the requests. Chainlink price prediction. 2021 Chainlink continued to trade at $11.45 during January. Surprisingly, the price spiked to $51.17 to hit a new high on May 10, 2021. When the market collapsed on May 19, the link price wiped down from $36.80 to $21. However, post this point, the price has been gradually surging. After the market crash in May, with the normal buy and sell pressures, price reached $25 by August end. There was a steep drop in early September due to Bitcoin's issues with its rollout in El Salvador. This drop seems to be short-lived, as Chainlink is well on its way to returning to that level, and potentially beyond. Chainlink price prediction. 2022 If the altcoin closes this year hitting the highs, then 2022 might start bullish at $75.24. On the other hand, if a bearish trap engulfs, then the 2022 trade might resume at a similar trend at $27.08. If the network boosts the reward levels for its nodes, then it might grab new nodes staking their tokens, leading to a pump in the price. In such a case, by the end of 2022, the link price might smash a new high of $111.32. However, being a highly transparent protocol, the average price of its token can hit between $91.32 and $80.005. 5 years link price prediction. In 5 years, with more partnerships, a large treasury of reserve funds, and an in-demand service, it seems that the platform is well poised to handle any challenges that may crop up in time. With new updates and connections to APIs, the utility token can be on cards with a maximum of $318.52 by the end of the next 5 years. On the other hand, if the market crashes due to controversies on conventional cryptos and blockchain, following other currencies, Link may also dip to $126.731. If smart contracts can seamlessly process over the years, then the altcoin might move at an average of $191.99. Our Chainlink price predictions. Chainlink has the inherent capability to expand smart contracts, allowing data accessibility for events, transactions, and going in the same trend. Optimism seems to be catching up with the heat on a long-term price forecast for the platform. According to Coinpedia's formulated prediction, if the network updates in cryptography and starts new partnerships, the link price might surge up to $74 as the year ends. On the flip side, many critics have begun questioning the purpose of link tokens in the project. If it persists, and other celebrities indicate a supporting statement, the price might get afflicted and plunge to $25.03.